Hello! In front of me I've got Volkswagen Polo. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. And right here we've got this lever. Now you can use the front wipers once, just by pulling it downwards. Use it constantly and change its intensity according to rain sensitivity by switching this button. Then you can enable it in low mode and high mode. To disable front wipers, set it to off position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.